Many anum Ghana for the chacha Obiara Oshami and Yumre. Mijidi said Obadi Adam enti Ubia okay. I at Nasibium, yes, Samba Bisuya de Kakra. And Chebiani Bisuya de Efa Bruni Casa Bibribe, who a busy menstruation yadia de and I so. Edikodu a friend saying news be ayana a way in phone biso and as internet and so social media news be a babaso, Brofocasa Biana Chassi, and the NCA in Yabro for Casa. Until when you say that you are Yacoso, what as you knew no much share Casano. And so ya ye tihe ya no kase yetim atu ye ho si ho say ye so yebeti enema bi wo abeden abeche ho na so akwa akwadwene ho emum enema bi so ho before ubenya konya ate ase no unless you have to the capability ne se ho and before betime hu sa no unya ukraboa na ye o soldier ono ye o soulmate what you say ukraboa no ono ye o secret so obenya konya bisa o say Kwame, Kwaku, Ubeye de Waha, one a do baha, Uso metipeu, because no one at Tikasabako. They say, ni see, oh, Nesania, a woman sway, and Tikuma, Kona Kuma. What I say now for someone Apako, defendo, but a net son yeni in you. And a brony Cassadia was a what I say, we know about the DNA, we know what it stands for, but we are Ghana ha. And your phone is coming to DNA, as you can form quantity DNA. And to bet celebrities need to know about out. Said there is a denier, and I said, Obi said, baby, Yanidia, and I was a mere test, a more DNA. The Casa Bissau, but who are Yenny Untimi who said, no conquer, sorry, Unya says you can't conquer dear Chili. What I say, in Genova, DNA, and I say, no one who called Boniface Unya Sakasanama. First of all, can only say pronunciation of can a yatro. Said deaf a natural. Who does he say and what a casana say? Ain't deaf who are bedden a den now can do can de. And a bonus DNA into a DNA. Also can end. Who can what I say? First of all, can only say casana cry atro. What I say? And the purpose as I have DNA casane by and abofona and I said I set this up trap and I call Tom. And on one name say I got toss our trap maintenance what she casabia, but the best service our problem na my. Maybe Catra has said Titino, Nana no war collar, you don't see difference. Titino almost say, Yana no almost same but some pictures be a tressa. And to your brofona up till now, they look alike. With the internet in education. And the abrophone up till now, the anu Brunia, untimin sham so. Say Bruno free US, so free Germany, so free France, untim ubini a bed in sell with Hunus Adiano. And to your China fauna, or more worry on home because they look alike. On so funny for crana, only pan send a year, or to send a year na, and the idea of to make sacrifice with fronty, enter out to China for worry on home. We don't see difference. You don't have to even see difference. All the upper far, more man, more family pictures, and more year picture, and more back picture. You all look different. And so not and tisa. I was said, say we be shamoso. But Mojanamni be movie, Yako, Afro different, and maybe Mamutia said, Dentia, we have different skins, different shapes all around, and the moon said a PFD anymore. And to moon so much as Casabia Maya, we will come and look different. And the doubts bebem so something must prove and the casano mushisha to a DNA in Oba Betiase Mishada Casaniana Mishada Gogo Unconco Fancy Unconco meaning and I say dictionary be a moon conquer but the DNA will no abbreviation into some coho nam cohe de daho Namino Babede ever be Siamadi into Mojanam as Azarian Abe Cosin mentally na causing, physically we are causing, so we should be near wow, we look alike, but we are brothers, we are sisters. Ye free American by and was said, we don't have to look different. It's our brofono, and so Mujanam na baby and when our causes anyway. And the above call a funny laptop also. Nadia that would be a say a Tiasibian and Yakunya Tiasi, and no be so be said, and what's our body. I know I can't say, but God gave us dominion over animals. If they give you dominion over any animal, they didn't give you dominion to eat the animal. The God, she has given us dominion over our wives and our husbands. Why are we not eating our children? The animals, we are seeing them like that. And omo di ka ba sa na wo ba omo ye unuanu mpanyimfo but unhom so mo ye unuanu because you think you stand on your 2 feet so you are precious than them. You think you look like the creator. Uya mienu uya nunti. You feel unya feel say uya onunti. You feel say any animal on 4 legs biano. What I say onru but can who say uni pe bia ohwe me bia no asase na ba so no udi ka ba be nante ye te say samoa no. What I say ube nante te say ponche. Once upon a time you were on your feet. Now unam to say slot. Na what is a slot and abegina wona mienu so ento abegina wona mienu so na tese so hu omo na omo foundation omo 4 legs no then you have to see them as friend saying omo ye mo ana so be said that omo nim so omo ye mo ana and so ye help ema yen what I say enti ye ba be sua de na kan hu say ya ma dominion na they give you dominion to come and take care of the animals o purpose no doctor na odi akire ni na wato watwene udi kasaboni echi eduma bia wo ye bia fo say wo ye office na wo te no ummu abode bia ho ban yo why min kan say why waste because what could dikase bi echi na wa segenti about asase so we ato simple kakra obedi no unsemo no dey at their foundation abo bi ani ho betimi akofum akwakotu banchi aba ba ye biane edie una ya bo say kokoye sama abo ano what I say una ya bo say kofum ye biane ne mabo ni bindi what I say onu nti na wo ba asase so be feeding no. What I say to sometimes and one cano, ye momodia mo chamo. Muntina ye buy. What I say by ya busy. We are busy for ourselves. We are busy finding money to go and eat chicken. And at the end of the day, you go poor because all sabody. What I say, intiminian Ghana for free about your say. Ye baba share DNA and na also na konya atia se akibia trubi. Say they are me catch them say bro ni kasa na ya throw the woman e ya throw pepe ni woman. What I say enti ba bi sua de minanu Ghana for. What I say you can't dominion na minanu Ghana for. E dom in union. Union. So some animals go at this too like that. The soul in you that is controlling your body. So sometimes you go off your way things for others. It is the soul in you into joining a double many. Into dominion, a dome in unity. Under the dome, it's all about unity. Unity to animals. And so abobi twakwamu kwana you don't know say who na say ugina ho ma aboa no. Ofu say say agboni jama. And say who say na money twakwamu they don't watch. They know say they have some human beings say ye show musu yi. Ento no cross kwana ma anya aboa na wo gimi o. Who na we nipa na office ono ya aboa no. Who na say nka ugina ma no but who office ono na wagimi. And in this case who is a fool here. People go their way to help others. It's about dominion. They can't dominion. Yes, the obisu e kwambone so. We so sa we jane ba ho what I say ko mobi men can say man another temperature or that temperature another we nyo no wo no ba say o careful no what I say so na ne bagina ho dominion ni bi no but say now we were all once like this with the internet na santi mo we a slot maximum da mo but ultimately can't kasa enti de ntia bibini so ne da ha ni se wo de ya hwe se de aboan update tie ye bibi phone pepi ye na ya adwen ye se ye precious than the animals. So when you go to your room try to put yourself in the situation or the shape of this animal. Go on your knees and you try to walk like this animal and see how fast you can run. See how efficient you can be with the trainer. But on you're creating on your own into mental as well. When this time they are coming up. You see, they be oya the fufron, a binio. But how the fufron, we be pure gana ha, you won't bush a bonny to a channel namaba berry. A true. Until you not find that they be oya the fufron. You see, they be oya the fufron. You have to see that at the fufron, yama. You have so no ko ye wu wi a me say enya fe na wi ko gina you are not so pure unye sa pure no to go and see the creator wo hwe mu nyina mu yale before bibini bi ani ha wo so what I say enti mo we bebe na eba brofo no krom no eye bibifo souls ye na ye sabode so ye ma e mani pamu biem e ma me sabode enti wo nkonkoku akoko bi nwe no ontimi nkoku akoko wo ontimi nkonko chegina mo bi nwe na ponche bi nwe no e ba te bibini so na nam hosa na wo no what I say enti na dia ko ye ma brofo kro no aye phenomenon nam ho wo twa krom ka bia be gina ma no what I say wo twa krom ti ka bia be gina ma na twa kwan anim enti wo wa honde so sa na ya bo. What I say, if you feel reincarnation, say na we before one na eba say, me na make a chero. Slot near serpent knowledge and Lot is coding the serpent and the woman, Lot your body. And more when they have very high sensitivity. What I say, and Kukokra was a funny saying, real identities. And some more was a motive, once more with a hardly so bones are boy. What I said, and more than years, so who say we're free in lame, aquacobo, a boy behind bind, they don't often almost different in their own skin. And when an any omutiti few, made a baby trewa dear. A boy only netifie. As such a boy man daho, who catching and so cautioning boom and cautioning boom. Yakaza but say Daniel two that boom. And Hayana Yaman. What I say, and Kraman so sa, and Kraman so me and nipa, and huni papa. Benyina mwasa but we abo we ankasan baby obehwe we free hu se we nipa bone fo no what as woman no mo de be buy so ya so in terms of war no enti chain so mo kon enti we onye so oba so na do kita no we hunu se wo asmele we de da enti so botu abo no kwa men wo chain no kita no na bon be effort bia ma na hu se no wo no you are smelling wo sa body enti mo nu su no mo shutu chain ni kura no no be feel so je ni no ne abo no mo de be feel enti we no mo de ne be buy so this time mo de hunu bi omu nam papa bia we omo anu beto so enti sa nam no mu hwehwe omo be hwehwe bi wo yenso ye ho enti omu nya ndu ye ho no omu nya effort no ye say botu so ata say enti mo nya na enyom letifi aka to say Daniel chi Daniel to dia tabu no wo amamre de wo na Daniel na onyi moja na mo e na hwe yourself na nyina Daniel before na yeto Daniel what I say me say do Bible ma kasa no say de tibia say yedin say de tibia be di kodu enti mini anu kana fo menja mojanam na ya wie no aboa we na kire connectivity to the creator ko woni we na tifi high sensitivity we smell from a distance what I say enti mo ntwe ho fisa mojasem no it is a mistake to marry someone who already has a child Counselor Lutrot and kasa asem ne kire ye maka to say wo mu gina kasa so what I say no krebi so mo ka kire they cannot tell us because omako jijiska and they cannot tell us emra so what I say mo mu hunu hu de ko we all ka kire we nei obi o ha onyem oba bewo oni kunu e wo so ko yi akola ni gu e bia ko yi no gu no bewu what I say because of follow papa we hunu papa we je papa na ko kasa na to na dwene what I say atumbu nso ye be ma sa the same what I say o see to it is a mistake you mistake the person who mistake to marry omunim say Ghana ha man e ware ma enye man e ware mema but in a truthful way no your ba na ware bema ware oba but Ghana for him say bema na ware oba so it is talking against the women indirectly no can against women no what I say and so nyonku bema na ni na akoda na wenya ba and is it wrong for nyonku bema and na nkoko no ne omuni man took say you know mo bob ebana na won say nkakoko bema no come bi because the woman don't sleep with only one cock before only X no only bama back on na what I say o mi na omaton de so mo ka kire nyina muntimi kan kire ya ye de paposhi to be sawom my music career a career the rear of a car the back of a car so or and where music a mute sick into mutonyo mama na muni agi silence is sick mute is sick we dua yale and a career to is career at the end of 2020 a foundation wo munyina sometimes no omukita omunyina sometimes omukọ friend some join make Freemason ankasa Freemason what I say you can join Freemason obi anu so atu no hesi wo se obebo abode ho ban tinti obi Freemasons me say matu me ho hesi wo se me ba bebo abode ho ban so I'm a Freemason And to also hear the same and be a Freemason. Who you Freemason, you have blessings. Because now no oh yeah the main task of the creator was said no yeah, and you don't worry about anything. What you say, but you see I know no can say the best about there say about there me boy body who buy you into me here we no that's why I am only be into na me de brew. Into the say you are doing so about body who buy. You are doing so with Jamu Janam ye. And yes who jare keke me catch now who here drew a so sound. The tree of life is there. Until at the end of 2020, Omnina Becca would have Fanasa Becca catch any fans keke more bian komujanam home for spiritual purposes. I would be how many animals they are going to see, but they cannot tell you. Proverbs 11:30. Mumami nyani brief mamu. Proverbs professional verbs. Professional verbs 11 bema 2. The woman. And 3 ebema the tree of life. What they count bema 5. The fruit of the righteous is a tree of life. What I say, we a tree of life are. You have to bear fruit. Fruit and I say truthful. I say no cray. What I say, and he that winneth souls is a. What I say, and before you win over somebody, you should be able to control the person. And to win souls, make sure you have to be able to control the soul you are winning. And the soul no nye nipebi keke, and ye nipa unkwan the soul. And one of you are souls. They were one spirit. When they come on earth, they become souls. You too, you were spirit. When you are not seen, you are spirit. But when you are seen, you become soul. So, say that me no more chair a friend say you have saved a soul, you have win a soul. What I say, you have win a soul. What jai because enka wonka be amfa say in 1 month na na manka ba wi no ke be bo akokọ baako. Say stress kwana ye 2 kilos so be bo baako nti ujai pe you have won a soul. Don't repent, don't die without knowing Jesus. Then to akasa a kire say wo bibini e no broni we ka kire wo. Wo akasa we a wo tro as Jesus. Eso hu nipa kro Jesus ye. Don't die without knowing Jesus. Jesus e ya tro hu nim say ya tro sisi a obi bisa na Jesus ya tro a. Ka kire say wo kasa no je nim. Wo kasa abede na wo tro ni je nim enti Jesus ya tro. Broni kasa nyina ya tro na we Jesus na broni kasa no mo dia tro. What I say, Jesus don't ebusu ni enta no nyehwe but ye mia kasa no wa ha. Enti yi kasa ni free ahunya Jesus. It is very wonderful. Omu yi kasa no, they don't have Jesus. Repent and return to God. I don't know Jesus. God a God. Where retrieve your pent. Where repeat your makato say pent u faith. Who try the faith pent is coding 5 physical faith. And to do faith akoshe baby and I see you free ho na fa kire God. What I say, you pent if you retrieve it, your pent, your faith, and return God, you return what you say that. What I say, it is an quotation we catch as Ghana for. Yes, let's be truthful. Yamamre no cray because Yamamre no diatra, the ancient who say with diatro. Bank of Ghana authorizes issuance of commemorative coins to celebrate Asante Hene. Auto rises, where auto rises, automatic rise, auto rises, where insurance, but where issue hands, and signatures needed at the occasion, as no, Jumedian as no, signatures needed at the no one issue hands and a doors was here, of where commentary, and a circle do memorative, a circle do rates. Omubuni so tunfo ababenyak to me be what I say a comment with where communication meant comment and on person mochrowa ha omuni so tunfo no abedin kita hudie bi e wasase so enti omu rating at that celebration they are rating him go past so memory e could do rative e could do comment communication meant on my bekasa what I say munyina munti ase kasa otumfo no be enti won say kumase fonso ya na omujo otumfo dipa kasa bibi otumfo be kebie so mu di chiri commentary ho comment aba ho what I say enti munyan Ghana fo mumenyi kasa no na ho ntoye enke sike we dwumadi ya sike we ji enke what I say onu me hihyin sisi am nka what I say no kwa bio me frafra kasa ni nyina ese goma what I say shishi enti mo manyi kasa ni free na e honton because sika we adwumadie edi so tun for kasa or the ma Kumasi for ho atona everybody in Abuchi will run to Kumasi. Meaning, I know what I am saying. They know. Obia, but mo bamba besa abodie. Otun for kacha mo se munya bojana mo bekasa na adwen adwuma bekasa no no de no pese o kire no. Mo bekasa wakodwen ne court because here I cut sa kire mo no. Ya nkofo nim se ye mojana mo no. Ya mo nim bebrebe na nim se ye court mo. Eno mo nim se ye wosika pa anti. Na je se enu na security. What I say, Sano Munimie, and to do for the catcher, I didn't say I could court in or Cassachero, because soon now no number, why you was say, Yamisa be demon guim, and looking for saying dingu you, into the crab a conin bayaka. By the said the catcher, one tells a wawasama, a kind of crane fence you. 27-year-old Ghanaian lady goes from selling shirt to owning oil and gas company. 2 + 7 = 9. Also, be a son, I say, or sorry, Munina Musica or Abaho. Mun sorry. What I say, Obiso son as ya kwa jibia mano. Miti e betima the same thing, but me ko jibima wo baby a. Wo the best abody because mun yanti ase your purpose on earth. Where your money secret na money code no. Nti say ko jima no na dey establish no. What I say, enti wo so dey o sa sorry. Eritrea orders men to marry 2 wives. 2 the woman, you have to know the woman before you go in for 2. You have to understand wives before you go in for them. This is to reduce prostitution. What I say, and womanizing, because Beman or Baba Kwa, Beman Befetri, or Bano Sosa, a Bibeka, Bekako prostitution. So they have to reduce all those things. What I say, and Tigana for Yensu starting Shasa, you ask me if I am memory. If you ask me to take I am memory. What I say, and I had the almost and Yamayan, because Omaka Casabia Brea IDHD. A real man will stand by his wife even if she is pregnant for another man. We kaso jina so kasa echremu Bible mukasa. What I say hunkunkun bi ebe nyinsem Mary wa bra Mary we kunu efenu Joseph. Ema Joseph hwe nyinsem na mane wo Jesus. What I say enso gasla lutrot enso kasa mfo fracture say a mistake. Won say the wadwin o mo toso wadwin Facebook no. Esa goma o se do moyo onu mishishi. What I say enti was we just asa kasa we nyinem onko bi antimi play games o ye ntro brofu kasa we Ghana nobody can play games mun bisa we wonder no mon kan kire mu I know what I am saying. What I say enti Bible mu kasa no dey ba o dey abehye ha na o kasa kire o so it is normal na nkoko no so ene mu ano so they do the same thing aponche be ma bi timi ni aponche be bi da na be fofra koda no ho nkoko no sa nyinama ne sa we are all the same. You are a thief. Tough pastor. Space fire on instrumentalists who get paid for playing in church. Obia didi kasa no last chere obia yusu kasa no enti wo free o. Me nkwa na me se me yusu kasa na bi. Enu ntina me ntimi nya adwuma ma obia no. What I say, me nkwa na se me ntimi ko di kasa ni bi echi. Enti de ntia o ka chere say wo ye kronfo you are a thief no. Ene say wo no kasa no di echire bi ena wo so wo di gi sika. And so no pastor no e kron for no ji huska as instrumentalist no so ji ska ni bi instrumentalist here instruct the mentalist enti ye koto correction e obi ta abo onima obi ta abo ye ka say bi na se onkofo bom nsema ye obi ta abo ya list amount. Mental is talking about your mind. Instruct, they are instructing you with their instructions so now so instruct what's ST has serpent on the tree of life and it's talking about instruments. So you need that serpent knowledge and the tree of life to be able to control that instrument. So you are an instrumentalist. Also you're kronfo and I am panso. And you are a thief. Kasa winti no kasa achiro mi anu Ghana for. Restaurant manager causes stir, sends away employee for wearing hijab to work in video. Then to kasa achiro and say we bibini. Sa religion and connected to so but onim 22 omo kai say ye foundation. Ye inya sa religion sa no person kacho wo ye bibinia wo inya sa religion o religion e abede religion say wo behwe mo ano so religion quite simple it is okasa na and 22 be ma 4 October be ma 10 enso be ma wa he be ma 1 or ya body 22 any foundation and 4 we plus 1 we be ma 5 o my physical no so aje juma fini nsem and house we be nya 12 be ma 3 plus 5 we be nya 8 ono ankasa no ojina mo body 8 but onim What I say, until they have to send her away. Only say no mo pamono. Villaging is not connected to Kasana Dab Quran, it's not connected to our sister here, no, ni so no, not connected to it. Bonini. Abedanka ontimin pamono, bodam. For us, the name Ekufuado means pain and gain, pain and suffering. Women of ACP Agozo's hometown. For us, the name Ekufuado means pain and suffering. Who Ekufuado said, "Wabe cause some too much pain and suffering." And I said, "Yeah, just no creeping of this year. Do you know how much pain and suffering will cause the animals we eat them?" Shakuko bia ukunu, there is a yen and yenini. Biom on you show you protect when you need people mobile. She said, "Ghana for bit media general but to know their dear bonity." What I say with me so general no corner boom life. We please those animals with the money on she. Nana do I idea. What your mass ye, but no canal de see mono, and so how could you mouth? What I say, And you do Casano so. Origin of my macho DB waha, and a bracket. And a macho and in a bracket, there's twice to as on a share bracket. Okay, well, the auxiliary bone, nucleic acid. Okay, we so. Most Yabena computer one, Abena medical with a mebo. Yeah, do a hamu. Well, de. Uchoka sebe THE and also yet this as this. Auxiliary is talking about support. Ude oko check ebe katero e help. And where the auxiliary bone no e baby awadwen da. Your skull is your bone. Me kasabo. Your skull no baby awadwen da no e bone. Nuclear mi be decode internet no so chana no baba kramete ya me twen no. Enti we nuclear e ma boni na da o kasa na ye ntro no e no be ka fra ama na ye confused un x da ha kasa be bia be hu x bia no ka hu say e too complicated e serious one enti one xenophobic mo dey see ye dom the x ye o South Africa enti one so nuclear ye be the code nuclear family e ma mo kire mo say dia nuclear ne tie e now clear mo say me ka mo say DNA ni ba for doubt. And we are now clear. Nuclear now see nuclear family. We are now clear. Because the class how doubt no. And acid no so your sperms. Maka say sperm maka baby free. Every bone ni wadwin utinim utrim baby adwin dan bone ni me ho na acid no sperm. What I say na sperm every body ho enu ti na wo hwe aha enta me be kire mo ha no. Entina ohwe ha omu separate enu from seed no ana we so natures entina omu separate way from we no natures ana we dome omu separate no entina me de eho no kire wo sa what I say enti acid no efri abode mu enti eni gina ho ma abode DNA ni by men class how doubt no mo akose ye no from chewing and I say from chewing samujana mono omu disa kasa ne ba but kasa we no kresem bi anim enti no ehie ne ontimi nye bi ne se enti se nkomotimi ye no normal ma obi atimi ye bi oh ya na check na ya ma resource but they cannot do that because I are transcend them so when your computer dia ma ya ha na medical dia ma ya